Hey everybody, this is Erica, the technology nerd who likes to film stuff, and good morning! Please excuse my setup. I really didn't have a chance to do anything. I literally just rolled out of bed and saw that Nintendo just announced the Nintendo Switch Lite. So let's talk a little bit about what was just announced. So what we're seeing is that the 3DS is finally dead. This looks like the 3DS replacement. Now I say that because of the price point of this handheld. It's only $200 versus the Switch is $300. And also it can only be played in handheld mode. So you can't dock it to the TV anymore. You can't play it in tabletop mode. You can't detach the Joy-Cons. The controllers are fixed to the unit. I've got some of the specs right here so we can go through some of them. So this is also smaller than the Switch. The Switch is about 9.4 inches long, and this new Switch Lite is 8.2 inches long. Also, the screen sizes differ as well. We've got a 5.5 inch touchscreen on the Lite versus a 6.2 inch touchscreen on the Nintendo Switch. We're also hearing that there are differences in battery life. It actually gives a little bit of an edge to the Switch Lite, where we're seeing it's approximately 3 to 7 hours for the Switch Lite and approximately 2.5 to 6.5 hours on the Nintendo Switch. So they're saying with Breath of the Wild, you should get like a half hour longer. What's really nice though is that the new Switch Lite comes right out of the gate in different colors. So we've got yellow, we've got turquoise, and also gray. I think what they're going to be doing with the Switch Lite is releasing all the fun colors and all the fun themed ones, probably to catch kids' attention, especially with Pokemon. It looks like there's going to be a Pokemon one as well upon release. I think they really dropped the ball though by not releasing a red one, although just like I'm saying, I think they're going to be releasing themed Switches with the Switch Lite. They're probably going to be releasing a Mario one. And this is going to be released on September 20th, so my guess is that they're probably going to be releasing a Zelda-themed one as well, because we have Link's Awakening that's going to be launched on that same day as well. So it's not going to be coming with a dock. It can't be connected to the TV. It's just a handheld gaming console. So when considering games like 1-2 Switch where you need to have detached controllers, they say that you can connect Joy-Con to it wirelessly or other compatible controllers so that you can play games like 1-2 Switch, but it's not something you're going to be able to play and dock to the TV. So let me know if that's a bummer for you, not having HD Rumble and not having IR motion camera included. For some people, they may or may not care, but this is a dumbed down version of the Switch that's cheaper. They have to cut corners somewhere, and I think it's really going to work for kids and for that 3DS audience that they're trying to convert over. Other miscellaneous things I'm noticing is that there is no longer a kickstand, so if that annoyed you, there you go. Also, we have a D-pad instead of the directional buttons, so that looks nice as well. It does still include a touchscreen, and also the resolution is the same, so it's 720p, but because it's a smaller screen, the pixel density is going to be a little bit higher. So it may even look a little bit better, but I really think it's going to be negligible. One other little stat that I'm seeing is that the Lite weighs 0.61 pounds, where the Nintendo Switch weighs 0.88 pounds, so it's going to be lighter. So for those of you who felt that the Switch just felt a little bit too heavy in handheld mode, this is going to be good for you as well. So I don't know, let me know if you guys are excited about this. I know that I am. It's a new product from Nintendo. It's something to review and something to play with. I'll be getting it in a couple of different colors. Probably all three, who knows? And if they release a Zelda-themed one, of course, I'll be all over that as well. So stay tuned for the review on that. It comes out on September 20th. Pre-orders, they say, are going to open soon. So this has been Erica, the technology nerd who likes to film stuff. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. I definitely want to make more gaming-centered videos. That's really an opportunity that I've been seeking, and this looks like it's a fun way to start. So have a good day, you guys.